After 17 hours sa train, finally, andito na ako sa Tashkent. Iniwan ko muna yung luggage ko dito sa basement kasi in transit lang ulit ako dito. Later tonight, mag-train ulit ako pa Bukhara. 10,000 som per piece yung rate ng luggage storage dito ha. After nyan, bumalik ulit ako sa ground floor to buy my SIM card dito sa Ucell, 60 gig for 60,000 som. Then after nila ma-set up, I booked a Yandex na going to Beshkazon. It's a restaurant attraction here in Tashkent where you can see their national dish cooked in giant cauldrons. I ordered plov and cappuccino and my bill was like 120,000 som. From here, naglakad ako sa nearest metro station which is Shakliston. And surprisingly, gumagana yung GCash card ko dito. And 1,700 som lang yung nabawas. Bumaba ako dito sa Bodomzor station just to see it. Pero hindi ako nag-exit ng station ha. Sumakay ulit ako ng train and then I hop off at Cosmonavtlar, my favorite station so far. And alam nyo ba na 1970s pa na-build yung metro system dito sa Tashkent? That was during Soviet period. Pero 2018 lang inallow ang taking of pictures and videos dito sa stations. After here, I checked out Alisher Navoy naman. And ang galing lang talaga na each station has its own theme showing Uzbek history, culture, and even science. Finally, nagpunta na ako dito sa Chorsu Bazaar. And para akong nag-time travel sa Bible setting dito. Grabe lang yung mga naglalako nung noon or yung bread nila. Tapos yung mga pile ng fruits dyan and spices. Very raw, very local. If pwede lang akong tumambay for like 3 hours dito, just people watch, no? Bago ko umalis, I grabbed some shashlik here. Shashlik yung tawag sa parang kebab nila. Grabe yung onions dito, sobrang tamis, parang singkamas levels na siya. Then, balik na ako sa Tashkent Central Station for my next trip.